I'm Tubugu Sayona James from Department Plumbing, and I'm here to do this system, and this is rainwater harvest. First of all, water must be pumped from here, but from the roof. By pump up, then from this tank to the appliances, 2 appliances, toilet and a sink. Yeah, that's all that I'm going to do now. So allow me do it faster. Within 30 minutes, no, 40 minutes I'll be done. Helper, let's start. Okay. Let's down the pipe. Give me that one. It's fine. Screwdriver. Correcting water from the roof, that is from the gutter to the tank. Elbow. Give me sort of cement. Maybe later. Pipe. Let's first determine the real position. Let's remove this one. Wire. Measure here, so that water goes inside, direct to the tank. Tape measure. Okay, this is the layout of the rainwater harvest. So even if we don't put a solvent cement, the outlets are ever open, so there will be no leakage. Okay, now let's go to getting this water from the upper tank using a pump. Thread tape. Okay, so from here you put a union for easy dismantling. This one. These gloves can disturb. Get for me another nipple. Get for me another nipple. One inch. Okay. Inside tank. Hold here. Hold here. Hold here. This one. Now you connect the pump. You connect the pump. Okay, the pump is now connected. Union, hurry up.
입구가 있고 출구가 있거든요. 여기도 입구가 있고 출구가 있거든요. 그러면 제 생각에는 이것도 물이 다른.
Where are you? See if I can see Coach. Jambo kawagu. No, ya. Ngoja kaa tuko. Naboleka. water supply is done. Drainage. Short piece, very short. Short piece. Give me some. Cut. Bracket. 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 This is the procedure. When it rains, water to the roof, then it is corrected to the gutter. Then from the gutter, it comes down like this, then to the tank. Then from the tank, pumps it up. It goes up. Then from up, water flows by gravity through this distribution pipe, then comes like this, okay? Here there is a T, water goes up to the toilet, then another continues like this, then to the sink. Yeah. I or T. When it gets blocked, you open here. The main point or the main purpose of this one, if it gets blocked somewhere, you come here to the access I or T, you open. So after opening, then you see through. If there is a blockage, then you remove it from here. Okay? Then automatically water goes to the main sewer, then later you close. Now you have maintained it. Same applies to this. If there is a problem here, soil water doesn't go, meaning that there is a blockage here. So what you need to do is to come and open here, and you look through, open gently. Otherwise, when you open faster, the soil matter will splash on you. So make sure you open slightly, then you see where there's a problem. If there is like maybe a foreign matter, nica, and so on and so forth, you go through and then you remove. Then after, you close. So that's the whole of the project.